Transform your still images into captivating visual stories with Nano Banana's intuitive platform. Let's dive into creating your first story image video first. Navigate to the New Project section and select Story Image Video. This will open up your workspace. Now it's time to add your visuals. Click on Import Media or simply drag and drop your collection of photos directly into the media library. Nano Banana supports a wide range of image formats, so get creative with your selection. Once your images are uploaded, drag them from the media library onto the main timeline. Arrange them in the order you want them to appear in your story. Think of each image as a chapter in your narrative. What's a story without words? Select an image on the timeline and click the Add Text button. You can then customize your text by choosing fonts, adjusting sizes, and picking colors that complement your image. Position the text precisely where you want it to appear. To bring your images to life, explore the Effects tab. Nano Banana offers a library of subtle animations, such as gentle pans, elegant zooms, and smooth fades. Applying these effects adds a professional touch and keeps your viewers engaged. Control the pace of your story by adjusting the duration of each image. Simply click and drag the edges of each image block on the timeline to set how long it stays on screen. This fine-tuning ensures your narrative flows perfectly. Before you finalize, always use the preview feature. This allows you to watch your entire video from start to finish, checking the timing, text legibility, and the overall flow of your visual narrative. Once you're happy with your creation, head to the Export section, choose your desired resolution and file format, and then click Generate Video. Your engaging story image video is now ready to be shared on social media, presentations, or anywhere your story needs to be told.